To block all spam and scam calls on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, open phone app, tap more icon or three vertical dot icon at the top right, and then select setting. Next, tap the gray on off switch next to caller ID and spam protection until the switch turn screen to turn it on, and then tap caller ID and spam protection. Next, tap the gray on off switch next to block spam and scam calls until the switch turn screen to turn it on, and then select block all spam and scam calls. By doing this, now your phone will use Hiya to identify spam and scam callers as well as other callers who are not in your contact. So all calls that are suspected as spam and scam will be blocked automatically. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.